After 9 months of holding the line, the Fed is finally set to blink. But how far will they go? It's Wednesday the 17th of September and this is what you need to know. Fed officials have spent months weighing competing risks, sticky inflation versus a weaker jobs market, and today they are ready to take a side. Markets have priced in a near certainty that the Fed will cut by quarter point. Investors will be looking to Fed Chair Jerome Powell, as well as parsing fresh economic projections that will likely provide clues on the future of interest rates. Economists largely expect officials to pencil in 2 more rate reductions this year that would be in line with the June projections. But markets want more. Traders are boosting bets of at least 1 jumbo cut by the end of the year. Our number of the day is 3.8%. That's the UK rate of inflation for August, holding steady at the highest level in more than 18 months. Cheaper airfares were offset by prices in hotels and restaurants. Meanwhile, food inflation continued to rise. The figures highlight the headache that the Bank of England is facing when it meets on Thursday and could set the groundwork for a prolonged pause in borrowing costs. French Prime Minister Luc Cornu will be meeting with Socialist Party leaders today in pivotal budget talks. The new Premier is expected to court the party's top brass with new proposals, including a wealth tax. The Socialist Party has become a swing voting bloc in a hung parliament that has toppled 2 governments in at least a year. But a path to a budget victory remains narrow and could lead to fresh elections. Shares of Baidu jumped by the most in over 2 years overnight after an analyst upgraded the Chinese internet firm. The stock climbed as much as 14% in Hong Kong on optimism over the potential of its in-house chip business. Chinese tech stocks rallied alongside as renewed bets on AI sent the sector to the highest in nearly 4 years. And our stock of the day is Meta. The company is set to introduce for the first time glasses with a screen, codenamed Hypernova. Reports have suggested that pricing for the device will come in at around $1,000 and could be as high as $1,400. Meta's ultimate goal is to create true augmented reality glasses, but that doesn't look likely until before 2027. And that's what you need to know this morning.